once your ears are compressed, we're going to bring our fingertips in back here. And put our index fingers over our biggest finger and thump back and forth. And that'll create a sound if you're compressing your ears at the same time. So first, compress your ears. You're going inward. Yeah. And now place your middle finger onto just before the base of the skull. Index finger over it and thump. This is called beating the heavenly drum. Long, deep breaths. And now if your hands are getting tired, then just shake them out. Take some deep breaths. Shake your arms out. Shake your hands out.